TGIF, happy Friday, my friends. We have made it through another week of work from home job leads. But before we start the weekend, I wanted to bring just another one to you. This one is another one that is hiring globally, worldwide, no matter what country you are in. And it is another non-phone customer service job that is done through email and chat. So I know that is what a lot of my international folks are looking for. So without wasting any time, let's just dive on in. The company DataBox is hiring a customer support specialist to work remote. Now, they are looking for someone to join their customer service team to provide timely, accurate, and valuable support through their chat and email to thousands of DataBox users. You'll also build dashboards and set up additional features to help the users and customers expand their usage and adoption. You'll monitor any unassigned queues in chat and email to make sure that they get fast responses, and you'll be referring customers to their onboarding and account management team for additional assistance if that is needed. You'll also be collaborating with the tech support team if there are any tech supports that are complex and you can't resolve. Now, they will train you. It says this role offers extensive and ongoing technical customer support and customer success training and coaching, along with competitive compensation and the opportunity to double your earnings in 1 to 3 years based on your performance. Unfortunately, they don't say what that compensation is because I'm sure that is dependent on location and experience. Now, as far as a location, it says they're looking for the best in the world regardless of location. So this position is an opportunity to work in a high growth company with a flexible schedule and location. So they have a flexible schedule and you can work anywhere. So to qualify for this position, you need to have 2 years experience in customer service, support, sales, or a business to business software company, experience using popular marketing and sales tools like Google Analytics, Google Ads, Facebook Ads, HubSpot, QuickBooks, or any of other 70 integration software. They want someone who has experience using business intelligent tools like DataBox, so any business intelligent tools. And if you are tech-minded and have SQL database experience, that is what they are looking for as well. If this position was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, as I'm always reading those and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. And I'll be back really soon with another work from home job lead just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.